This right here, this is the rear bolster axle. That's a 1-inch solid bar, whatever size tubing that is, if that's a good tight fit in there. 1/2-inch steel plate right there. Just something I had over there and I thought I might want to use that, but I'm going to turn that in for grade right there. Also the front bolster. I'm not sure what the technical name on that would be, but we've got all the welding done. And the way these works is, this is the top piece that goes up here on this, and then you want to always use a lock nut on these things right here. I'm just going to use this one here because it's really easy to get up on there without, because I'm going to take it back apart. But I got these 2 holes in the front right here that when you're going down the road, you can put a chain link in there and tie it down to the trailer down there. Or if you have it in a stationary position, you can drop a bolt in each one of those and it'll lock it in a straight line. But this is the front, and it pivots like such. This yeah, I'm going to turn these in for grade right here. And we'll get them wheels on there. Get some paint on it, see what it looks like. I got them 4 wheels there cast iron cleaned up. I got that there rusty metal primer on yonder. It's done already got about dry. And let's put some of that black satin on there now. Oh yeah, cleaned up them bearings up in there too. And we'll get some grease in there in a little bit. Yeah, got them bearings cleaned up really, really good. Brand spanking new ones, and them wheels ain't never rolled on nothing.